In this video I will teach you a beautiful flower blanket pattern for beginners. Let us start. I am using a medium weight 4-ply wool. I am using 4-ply 4 mm G6 crochet hook. I am using with medium weight 4-ply wool. Make a loop, make chains 1 2 3 4 5 chains in the same space. First stitch, make a slip stitch 1 2 3. These 3 chain we count first double crochet in the same space. Make a double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 chains again and slip stitch. For the first petal I have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 chains, 1 double crochet 2 double crochet 3 4. Make again 3 chains. These 3 chain we count first stitch in the same stitch space. Make a slip stitch. 2 petals ready. Make the third petal in the same corner, first flower. 3 chains, double crochet 1 2 and 3, make 1 2 3 4 5 double crochet. Now 3 petals in the corner flower ready. 5 double crochet in every petal. Now make the second flower 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 chains, 1 2 3 4. Into 4th chain join with the slip stitch and slip stitch in the 3 stitches here. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2 and 3. These 3 chain we count first double crochet. I have right side facing this flower in the same space. Make a double crochet 1 2 3 4, double crochet 4, 3 chains, slip stitch. The second flower 1 2 3 4 5. The corner flower, the second flower, 3 chains and make 1 double crochet 1 2. These 3 chain we count a double crochet 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 chains and slip stitch. These 3 chain we count first double crochet in every petals. Okay, now make again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 chains. Count from here 1 2 3. Skip these 3 stitches into 4th chain, slip stitch, and now make slip stitch, next stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch here. This stitch we count first double crochet right side facing in the same space. Follow the same work 1 2 3 4. Make again 3 chains and slip stitch. Now continue and follow the same work in every petals. Follow the same work 1 2 3. Continue and make a double crochet 1 2 3 4, make 3 chains and slip stitch. Repeat and follow the same work as we have done here. Continue work. Completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flower for this design. Continue and follow the same work for more bigger size. Now I will show you how to make the last flower. Make chains 3 and double crochet again, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 chains slip stitch. I have every petals 5 double crochet in every petal. Make chain 3, four, make 1, 2, 3, 4 and double crochet 5 double crochet in the flower. Now make again in the next space and repeat the same work. Double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet 4, make 3 chains and slip stitch, 3 chains for the next petal. We count a double crochet, make a double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Every petal complete 5 stitches. Now continue work as we have done here. In every space make 2 petals, then finish off here. Follow the same work as we have done in the second flower. Okay, we have completed the first row for the flower. In the last space complete the 4th petal here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have completed one row of the flower. Now repeat and follow the pattern for blanket, for cardigan and for ladies shawl. Make chains 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4th chain, join, slip stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch and slip stitch in the next stitch. And now here in the circle make a double crochet. These 3 chain we count first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and double crochet 5 double crochet. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4th chain, make a slip stitch and slip stitch. Next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, double crochet 4, and now in the 3rd stitch here join, with the slip stitch and make 1 2 3 chains and slip stitch again in the same space. This is the first pattern. For the second flower, make again 1 2 3 chains, and these 3 chain join here in the third chain in the next petal, and make again a double crochet 1 2 3 4 and 5, double crochet 5. Continue and follow the same work as we have done here. For every flower, follow the same work. Make again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 chains, 1 2 3 4 into 4 chain, slip stitch, and now slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. For the first double crochet and this double crochet we count, and now make a double crochet 1 2 and 3. I have a double crochet 1 2 3 4. This we are going to attach here in the next flower, third stitch, join, and make a chain 1 2 3 and then slip stitch 1 2 3 chains, and then in the next this petal, third stitch, join, and make again in the same space double crochet. Now for the pattern, repeat and follow the same work as we have done for these 2 flowers. Remaining pattern of the blanket I will show you in the next part 2 video. Thanks for watching.